Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance is required light on your Lexus. This is a 2013 Lexus GS 350. Right here is the light in question. It's that little triangle and then it'll say maintenance required soon. So the car is currently on. What you're going to want to do is go over to ODO Trip and you're going to want to click it until you see Trip A. Okay, so we're on Trip A right now. Once it's on Trip A, you're gonna wanna turn your car off and take your foot off the brake. Okay, the next step you're gonna wanna do is put your left hand and hold down ODO Trip. Come over here and then click your start once, then click it a second time. And then you should see it blinking down. Then it'll hit 0. And then now it reset it. So then I clicked it again to turn it off. Now I'm putting my foot on the brake, turning it on. And now the maintenance required should not show up anymore. Boom, cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.